Mikropor is proud to be a platinum sponsor of the 2021 IAQA Virtual Conference.
Hello everyone, welcome to the 2021 IAQA Virtual Conference. My name is Nithin Shanbhag, President of Mikropor America. Today we're quite excited to introduce you to Mikropor and methods of improving indoor air quality.
I'm Jeff Thibodeau, HVAC Area Manager. We're very proud to be a platinum sponsor of this year's event. It's our second consecutive year with indoor air quality in the show. We're very excited to get started, so let's get to it.
The foundation of Mikropor began 34 years ago, engineering and manufacturing air oil separation. 10 years later, we got into atmospheric filtration, different types for different applications of increased efficiency need. We began our operations in North America in 2004, and in subsequent years, we grew. Most recently, in the last 2 years, we created manufacturing operations in Belgium and locally here in the United States. Mikropor is a family-owned and run company, creating products distributed throughout 150 plus countries in the world. We have become experts at all of the local certification and production requirements that consumers need. Headquartered in Turkey, Mikropor is very prideful in becoming local to serve customers, with operations in Belgium and most recently expansions in USA.
Mikropor continues to become one of the most recognized brands in the world by expanding its global penetration in the field of technological filtration and contributes to a healthier planet. Mikropor America is strategically located in Northwest Indiana. The 26-acre campus features a 185,000 square foot distribution center along with several on-site storage and maintenance facilities. Mikropor's commitment to quality in its high-efficiency air filtration is qualified and validated by third-party testing. As the epidemic came, we were prepared with large amounts of stock of our high-efficiency MV Series and HEPA filtration to battle this epidemic and improve indoor air quality. We are committed to that moving forward. We'll share with you today some of the new products we have coming out and how excited we are to reopen America. In reaction to the COVID epidemic, ASHRAE made a change in their minimum requirements that we move away from personal comfort standards and more to personal safety. They recommend increasing your efficiency of air filtration to achieve a level of MERV 13 or higher. As you see from below, the high efficiency MV series will help when your air filtration requirements meet the need. In addition to that, portable air cleaners are being recommended, such as the Mia Air. MERV, or minimum efficiency reporting values, are how we grade filters in the filter industry. A MERV 13 or higher filter is going to capture above 80% of particulate in size from 0.3 to 10 microns.
Hey Jeff, these MERV ratings sound kind of interesting, but I have no idea what that means to me. MERV.
Listen, I just explained that. Let's talk about particle sizes. The human eye can only see about 50 microns, which is a human hair. Some fine grains of sand we can see because they're a little bit larger than that. Imagine the coronavirus, 0.1 micron in size. Science has told us that it travels along with air droplets, so it's actually moving along with particulate that is of a larger size. We see here, third from the left, there's your nanovirus. We can't see that with the naked eye, but we're going to tell you how we filter it out in the filter industry.
Wow.
Although we use the MERV chart here in the U.S. to recognize standards for particulate sizes, ISO 16890 is the globally recognized standard. It's a newer standard recognized by the World Health Organization. You may have seen PM 2.5 in the news a lot lately, because this refers to particles between 0.3 microns up to 2.5 microns, which can enter the respiratory tract and become very dangerous for personal safety.
Jeff, this makes perfect sense. I always know when I get near some places with a lot of dust in the air, clogs up my sinuses, my lungs. But I don't know the sizes. I don't know what's good. I don't know what's bad. I mean, how do we know what's going to happen to us?
Particles that you can't see are the most dangerous. So if COVID is going to travel in a particulate of a larger size, we need to make sure we keep it out of our lungs to keep us healthy, right?
Oh, yeah.
So PM 2.5, which is the 0.3 to 2.5 microns that you see on the right, that gets down into our, mid lungs, and that's not good. So we as air filter manufacturers need to be conscious of that and need to be able to capture those particulates so we do create a healthier environment.
Totally agree. Totally agree.
No one wants to feel sick, as Nathan mentioned, and we generally need to create cleaner indoor air environments to make sure we're not nauseous. We don't have shortness of breath or even lead to memory loss and dizziness. The threshold limit values measured in parts per million help filter companies determine how we capture particulates and gases to create a cleaner indoor environment. And that can't be more important than it is today. The transmission of airborne diseases helped us understand COVID-19 a little bit better. Large droplets can travel about 6 feet, up to 2 meters. That gave us our social distancing guidelines. Smaller droplets even farther than that, up to 10 feet. And droplet nuclei, that PM 2.5 stuff, that can go almost 30 feet. So we need to be able to capture that with UV light, better air filtration, increases in efficiency, and portable air cleaners to create a cleaner indoor air environment and get to that personal safety level recommended by everyone.
Mikropor incorporates the latest technology to provide best-in-class solutions for improving indoor air quality. This allows us to create high-efficiency air filtration and portable air cleaners to address the growing concerns of indoor air quality.
Filter performance is verified by third-party testing. We see capture rates on different particle sizes from those reports. We're concerned with PM 2.5, remember, because that is where hazardous conditions happen. On the 0.3 to 1 micron range, we see our MPF Series at MERV 13 gives us a 61% capture rate. We get as high as 90% with the MERV 15. The MV Series, in its unique design with a lot more media, allows us to capture smaller particles at a higher rate, 64% for the MERV 13 and 96% for the MERV 16. This gives us comfort that we can achieve indoor air quality levels that will help us improve not only comfort, but personal safety. Understanding HEPA filtration is very easy. In order to meet that MERV 17 minimum requirement, you have to capture at least 99.97% of particulates that's 0.3 microns in size. That's pretty small, and that's a fantastic capture rate. Here at Mikropor, we stock filters that actually exceed that minimum requirement. We're capturing 99.99% on that 0.3 micron range with our stocked HEPA filters.
Indoor air quality is a necessity for healthy living for each of us. When your HVAC system cannot support increased high-efficiency filtration, local portable air cleaners are at the forefront of solutions. Mikropor is proud to present the Mia Air Air Purifier. Jeff, that was some very educational information on both local and global ratings relative to indoor air quality. I'm quite confident with knowledge we can make a difference in the application of appropriate high-efficiency filtration to help reopen the globe.
With today's epidemic, we're here to help, both with filtration, portable air cleaners. Be sure to visit our booth. You can talk to us during the live sessions. We're more than happy to help. We really want to open up America, open up the globe, and bring everybody's economy back to where it belongs.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.